Do you know that by the year 2050, there will be 2 billion more people on Earth than there are today? And it is estimated that the demand for food will rise by 70 to 100%. 80% of the global food comes from plants, which are the main source of the human diet. As such, they are essential for food security and ongoing access to sufficient, safe, nutritious, and affordable food. However, plant disease and pest outbreaks threaten food security in many areas of the world due to climate change and global trade, which can lead to losses of 20 to 40% of the global food production. And that's a really huge number. One cause is that the manual identification of plant disease in traditional agriculture is a laborious task which requires proficiency in plant disease and also extreme processing time. As it's not scientific, it can lead to overuse or underuse of water and also fertilizer, which can also bring about many environmental impacts like facing water shortages or eutrophication of waterways. And it only happens because we don't take into consideration that each plant requires a specific amount of water and fertilizer. And only this way, and in that, we can't treat every plant in the same way. And only this way, we can expect higher yield. But how we can achieve this? And that's where my research and also Green Revolution come in. In order to detect the stress area, we use hyperspectral camera, which can be installed on drone or also the rover. Then we can take a lots of pictures, and with the help of the artificial intelligence and also the crop model and these images, we can detect the stress area. What was the difference between hyperspectral camera and also the widespread digital camera, like the mobile phone that you are using? Well, with a widespread digital camera, we can capture what is visible by human eyes, and that's the color, shape, and size of the object. But with the hyperspectral camera, we can go beyond what is visible by human eyes, and that's the chemical composition of the screen material, like nitrogen, hydrogen, water, etc. And by knowing the exact amount of all those chemicals, we can feed the plant with the correct amount of water, fertilizer, and nutrients that it needs. So we can detect the plant disease at the very early stage, before it can be visually detectable by human eyes. So we can eliminate the laborious task of manual identification of plant disease by farmers in traditional agriculture. Once again, food security should have high priority all over the board, and it's only possible through Green Revolution, and then we can expect higher productivity and sustainability in agriculture. Thank you.